Hey hair heroes! Frizzy, dry, dull strands got you down? Time to unleash your inner goddess with the top 5 Moroccan oil products for hair in India. Say goodbye to bad hair days forever. Moroccanoil Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. This dynamic duo is your everyday hydration dream team. Infused with argan oil goodness, it quenches thirsty strands and leaves them soft, silky, and oh so shiny. Moroccanoil Moisture Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. Need an SOS for damaged locks? This power couple comes to the rescue. Deeply nourishing ingredients mend split ends, tame frizz, and restore strength. Hello, healthy hair renaissance. Moroccanoil Treatment, the original game changer, the legend itself. This iconic oil is your ticket to frizz-free, manageable, and unbelievably glossy hair. Apply a few drops and watch your mane transform. Magic in a bottle, seriously. Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating Mask. Treat your hair to a spa day. This rich, creamy mask is like a moisture balm for parched strands. Deeply nourishing, it revitalizes, detangles, and leaves your hair feeling like cashmere. Luxury hair care. Before we see the last one, don't forget to share and like this video. Moroccanoil Intense Curl Cream. Curly girls, rejoice. This curl-defining dream cream enhances bounce, fights frizz, and keeps your spirals looking their best all day long. No crunch, no flaking, just beautiful, bouncy curls. Rock those ringlets, queen. Subscribe now for more beauty care.